Hi, my name is Ed Gillespie. I'm the founder and director of Restoration Ministries. I want to talk tonight a little bit about the effects of hurt. God designed us as vessels. We're all vessels. I have a variety of vessels up here. And what He wants to do is pour into us that we can go and give out to other people. That's God's design for us. Well, what happens is Satan knows that he doesn't want us to give that out, so what he sets up is if we get hurt, in other words, if I take and add some hurt to this, it's going to discolor how the rest of my life and how I view things. So if I add a little rejection into this, then a little fear and anger, because when I get rejected, I get angry. Then I become insecure and begin to doubt. A little of that in there. Stir that up. So what happens is my life now suddenly begins to take a whole different look. Sin is another issue altogether. But when we have sin in our life, mixed with hurt, then we have unforgiveness, then we'll have rebellion. You can add bitterness. This takes a lifetime for a person to walk all this stuff through. But what God really wants us to do is to somehow come to the place where we deal with this. As we let God deal with this stuff, and we repent for sin, we forgive those who've hurt us, and after we do that a number of times, you're going to find that pretty soon, what's left is just a few things. Restoration Ministries is designed to help find the hurt and bring you to a place where you've dealt with those issues, you've dumped them out to the place you start looking like this.